How to transfer money to another bank on Laurentian Bank. Welcome back to Techmates, and let's get right into this video. Laurentian Bank offers two main methods to transfer money to an account at another bank. Search for your laurentianbank.ca and you'll be redirected to the official website of Laurentian Bank. Now in here you can log in or sign in into your account firstly. You can also do this process using your Laurentian Bank mobile banking application. Now first step is to log in into your account. If you have not created an account, make sure to create one. Then just enter your access code and your password, then select on the login button. To transfer into another bank, the most fastest and convenient option is through Interac e-transfer. Now right here you will see an interface like this. Select on Send Interac e-transfer. You might need to create a sender profile if it's your first time using Interac e-transfer. Add the recipient information, that is name, email address and mobile phone number if available. Enter a security question and answer that the recipient will need to know to deposit the fund. Specify the transfer amount. Then after a short review, you'll be able to transfer into the another account. Next is to locate the transfer section and look for wire transfer or similar option. You need to enter the name and address of the recipient, then the recipient bank account number and bank SWIFT code. If it is for international transfer, you need to select a reason for the transfer, then enter the amount to be transferred. Review the transfer details, then right after the confirmation, you'll be able to make the transaction to another account. You can select any of the method between Interac e-transfer and your wire transfer. It is up to your convenience. That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.